Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to earn free Shiba Inu coin and also some websites where you can mine Shiba Inu in 2022. So the first website, as you can see, is called FreeCash. Now with FreeCash you can get paid for testing the apps, testing the websites, and much more, as you can see, also taking the service and opening up bank accounts, as you can see. Now, as you can see, you can earn up to $24 per offer. There are over 40 offers available. And as you can see, you can pretty much redeem with crypto, right? Rewards, also you have rewards, you have leaderboards, and you can cash out and earn really easy. So with this, you can earn free Shiba Inu. As you can see, why is FreeCash the first site to make money? Cash out starting at $0.50. Earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes by completing offers on FreeCash, right? Now you have also PayPal, instant cash outs. Then with those cash outs, you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance or other exchanges, or you can actually exchange just the Shiba Inu coin if you want, right? With crypto, right? So you also have highest payouts and verified tasks, so everything is legit. It's not a scam, right? So here you can see also rewards. If we click on rewards, you will see that you can earn free cash rewards. You have daily bonus letter as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's really simple and straightforward website. As you can see here, you can click on how to use free cash, and they will basically tell you how to use step by step right here, and how to receive coins and how to climb the leaderboard, and then after that how to redeem everything, right? So this is pretty much how everything works, and this is number one or first website on this list. The second website on this list is called Timebox. Now this is exactly the same as FreeCash, just it's called Timebox, right? You can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, or complete micro tasks, right? You can also answer surveys as well, and here you can see daily bonuses. You can start earning instantly. You also have a referral program. There are weekly payouts and friendly support staff that will help you if you need any help. Now this website is pretty self-explanatory, and you can earn both money and crypto while doing all these tasks. And for example, if you earn money, you can exchange that money back, with your credit card or debit card on Binance and buy Shiba Inu coin as well. And you can also get rewarded with crypto only, right? So you can also earn, Shiba Inu coin as well. Now the third website is called Unminable. Now this is actually Shiba Inu mining website. Here you can mine Shiba Inu. If we go here to this coin, we can change the coin to Shiba Inu. We can click on Shiba Inu, and then we can see also available for mining, minimum RAM requirements for mining, average time between rewards, right? And we can also see last rewards as well. Now this is really trusted website. As you can see, this is how much of Bitcoins they paid across all assets, and this is how much of active workers there are on the website. Now in order to start mining Shiba Inu, what you will have to do is you will have to go to get started, and then you will have to download the MFI version of Unminable here, and then you will have to run it on your computer. And after you run it on your computer, this will mine the coin that you ask for. So this will mine Shiba Inu coin for you. And as you can see, you can also see here, if you have any issues, you can see here downloading the app on Google Chrome and everything like that. So this is pretty much how it works, right? You just download the app, you let it run while your computer is idle or your PC is idle, and then you basically get rewarded with Shiba Inu tokens. So that's pretty much how this works, right? This is the third website. These are basically three websites where you can earn free Shiba Inu coins. Now if you have any other websites, comment down below with your website choices. I would love to see how you're earning free Shiba Inu coins in 2022. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video.